monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
What is up, folks? It's your DCS right back again in another video. So, how are you all been? I hope you guys are doing good today. So, this time it is the Hot Wheels series as usual, but it's a very cool car. And before we get started, to all the new people who are watching this video, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon for more of my video updates every weekend. So, as I mentioned, this is the Hot Wheels series and it's got 9 out of 10 in Hedgehog Race theme. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This legendary car right here is the Corvette Grand Sport. It's the 1963 Corvette Grand Sport. Alright, going for a little bit of history lesson. Zora Dentov, known as the father of Corvettes, he wanted to race the Corvette in the 24-hour Le Mans. So he made this, the Corvette Grand Sport, a really fast and cool Corvette. But he didn't tell this to the GM executives. He did it secretively, and when the GM executives found out about this, they completely rejected his project and they made only 5 of these cars, which are now going for millions of dollars and they're already sold out. And this car is so much similar to the Corvette, you know, the normal Corvette, but it has a larger engine and a longer wheelbase, you know, which all the things the race car should have. So we leave the looks and details for the looks and details. Now let's go for the previous video which I uploaded. Oh, it was the Mazda Repu, the only rotary engine pickup truck. Check that out if you're interested. It'll be on top right here. Alright, going for the quiz as we didn't have it last week. So here goes the quiz. In 1971, the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow 2-door models were given what name? So what name was given to them? Comment down below, I'll check them out. So now, going for the unboxing of this car. Let's go for it. So here we are in the looks and details of the Corvette Grand Sport, guys. So at first I want to start off with the color, because most of the cars has the same color, like, you know, the darkish blue, but that doesn't suit for many cars. But on this car, it's so damn amazing. You can actually feel the gloss on your fingertips. That's amazingly cool. And also you've got the chrome side exhaust down there. You've got the whole bottom chromed out, which is kind of nice. And you've got the Corvette Grand Sport written down there. That's pretty amazing too. And you've got the radiator chromed out too. That's also cool. You've got the fixed headlamps there, which is covered. And on the interior, I can't say much. It's just like a normal black interior. The window tints are also cool. I wish they were transparent though. And the floor on the inside, guys, that's also chromed out. Yeah, I hope you guys can see that, right? Yeah. And they haven't concentrated much on the rear. You have just got the carving of the tail lamp, but the tail lamp isn't detailed. So what do you expect from a Le Mans car? You've got the Hot Wheels detailing and also the number 9 sticker and 550 horses on the hood. That's pretty amazing. You've got the Michelin logo too, with a couple of stripes. So that's pretty much it on this car, guys. So why don't we go for the information now? It's time to talk Corvette Grand Sport, guys. It is the information of the 1963 Corvette Grand Sport right here. So let's start off with the engine because it's quite interesting. It's the 377 cubic inch 6.2 liter V8, guys. And talking about its horsepower, the horsepower which the V8 produces, it produces up to 556 horsepower, which was an insane amount of power back in those days. And moving on to the body style is a two-door coupe. Talking about its transmission, the transmission is a Thermic T56 6-speed manual. Of course, you need the 6-speed manual in the Le Mans. So going for the production run, guys, the production run began at 1962 and it ended up at 1967. Only 5 years of, production. Well, going for the 0 to 60 time, the 0 to 60 time set by this car is 5.1 seconds, which I said earlier, not bad at that time. Talking about the top speed is 161 miles per hour, which is 260 kilometers per hour. That's pretty less, I guess. Back in those days, I guess it was more. Well, going for the weight, guys, the current weight of this car is 1,133.9 kilograms. That is pretty light for this car. So, the width and the length, guys, I couldn't get those two, but the price I've got here, the price, of course, of this car is ranging from $4.2 million to $5 million. Pretty expensive, huh? Well, going for the last part, guys, that is the rating, because it's the end of the information. So going for the rating now. Alright, out of a 10, looking at its performance and its details, I give it an 8, guys. So it gets an 8 out of 10. That's pretty cool. Alright then, guys, comment your ratings down below and also comment the answer down below. I'll catch you up next week and stay tuned for my next week's video. Bye bye now. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you then.